Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to be digging into a phone that I have here. And this video applies for resellers or anybody that's just curious about how you can tell what carrier your phone is. So let's get into the video. So today I'm actually not going to be talking in front of the camera as much as I'm going to actually be showing you guys what you guys need to be doing to test and see if your phone is compatible with your carrier. All you're going to need is a cellular phone, paper clip, or some type of little pin thing you can stick into the port on the side of the phone, and a SIM card. Most likely this will be the SIM of the carrier you're actually using. So let's dig into my desk. So if you guys can see here, I actually have the cell phone. This is actually an iPhone 7 Plus, jet black. It's actually a T-Mobile 120 gigabyte phone. I have the paper clip here, and then I have a T-Mobile SIM card as well as an at&t SIM card to test if it's T-Mobile unlocked, to see let's say you're selling to a customer that's wondering if it could be compatible with at&t, but you don't know if the previous owner had unlocked the phone. Or if you just had a T-Mobile, you're looking to buy a phone and you had a T-Mobile carrier, this is what you can do when you meet up with somebody to actually tell if it can work with your carrier. So we have the iPhone 7 in here. You can actually see the port right on the left side, right on the right side here, near the actually on and off button. So what you do is you're actually going to put the little paper clip in and push it in, and you'll see a thing pop out. So right here we have the SIM card holder, and I know this is actually only compatible with an with a T-Mobile phone. So I'm going to put in the T-Mobile SIM card, put it in. Let's see. Get it in there nice and tight, and we're going to see here on the phone that it actually says no service, but you have to give it a second to load, and see, it actually will show T-Mobile. Now you don't need to stop here. You actually need to do a couple more steps. So you're going to first click the home button, and then select, well, we'll just start over. So we'll click English, United States, if that's where you're from. You're going to choose a carrier. So I actually have a carrier thing here. This is like my local Wi-Fi one. And next. And see, if you actually go through the settings, it will not let you go through all of the settings if it's not compatible with the phone. So I can see here that I can just go through the phone, set them all up, and do it that way. So actually, let's get back. We're going to try with the at&t. So we'll actually start over. So let's take out the SIM card, and we will put in the at&t one. And this is what it's going to look like for you guys if your SIM card, or your carrier rather, is not compatible with the actual service. So again, we'll click English, United States. We'll select, you always need Wi-Fi to be able to do this step, and look, just wait here for a couple minutes and it'll actually tell you. So here is actually what I was saying. So this SIM card is currently not supported under the activation policy. So when this phone was made, it was actually made solely for a T-Mobile carrier. But the T-Mobile carrier can actually be used as the only carrier for the phone, and this is what you'll be able to tell when you're actually buying the phone, is if it's not compatible. Sometimes you need to try again, sometimes it'll mishap the first time, but if you do it twice and it shows the same message, your carrier is not supported with the phone that you are trying to buy. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a pretty simple tip, but this will save you if you don't want to meet at a carrier store, or it's just like maybe past the time that a store is open. This is a great tool to recognize real quick if your SIM card will be supported by the phone that you are buying. So If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to join the family. I'm going to be giving a bunch of tips, not only for phone selling, but also just other ways to make money online. It's kind of something I've been very interested in and have spent a lot of time researching over the internet over the past couple months. So I'd like to share that knowledge with you guys. Make you guys reach $100 a day. I mean, that's my goal. I reached it. So if I can spread that and help one other person on this channel, kind of my goal is complete. So if you have any video ideas, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the next video.